Ito na nga, Genie in the Battle is the Genie Make-A-Wish sa Netflix. Ngayon, nafe-feeling artista tayo dito ngayon. During break. May screen time pala tayo with back of Kim Woo-bin. Ito papunta na sa set ng shooting. Yes, the very kind actor enters the shooting location. Binabati niya lahat ng mga staff at kaming mga background actors. Alongside with Suzy, super bait, super ganda. Love you, love you. Lahat binabati nila. Umiikot talaga sila sa buong lugar.
Last day of shooting. Last day. Wala pa minuman.
Inayos ng staffs yung wardrobe namin, makeup, pati mga bigote. Yan, dinidikit din sa mga mukha namin. Nagmukha kaming ermitanyo yan. Yes, we are practicing here, mga gold diggers. Ang susunod ay mga random photos lang during breaks. During middle of takes. Yan, foods. Dismiss. Yan, pauwi na yan. Is Suzy. And extra ni Suzy. Yan, deserve. Ice cream for break time. Foods. Suzy. Yes, again. Mga kasamaan kong actors. Yes, and dressing room nila Woo-bin and Suzy. Yan, the end. Bye. Thank you for watching.